Lumen versus Pictory. Which AI video creating tool is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which AI video creating tool is better among Lumen and Pictory. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Lumen. Lumen offers an intuitive drag and drop interface, making video creation straightforward and user friendly. It has a vast library of media assets, including images, video clips, and music to enhance your videos. The platform provides AI driven content suggestions, helping you generate engaging video scripts. Customization options allow you to tailor the look and feel of your videos to fit your brand. Lumen supports multiple video formats and resolutions, catering to various social media platforms and needs. However, some users find the AI driven script suggestions to be less accurate or relevant to their specific content. Advanced customization features may require a higher tier subscription plan. The platform's interface can be overwhelming for beginners due to its wide range of features. Now, let's come towards Pictory. Pictory simplifies video creation with AI driven text to video capabilities, converting scripts into polished videos efficiently. It offers a variety of templates and styles, allowing you to create videos that match your brand's aesthetics. The platform includes built in text to speech functionality, which can be useful for creating narrated videos without voiceover recordings. Pictory's AI tools help in auto editing, making it faster to produce high quality videos. It provides features for adding subtitles and captions automatically, enhancing accessibility and engagement. Some users find the AI generated video content to be less customizable compared to other platforms. The range of media assets is more limited compared to some competitors. Pricing can be on the higher side for advanced features and more extensive usage. Choosing between Lumen and Pictory depends on your needs. Lumen 5 is ideal if you want a broad range of media assets and advanced customization options, while Pictory excels in simplifying video creation with its AI driven tools and built in features. Consider your focus on media variety, customization, and ease of use to make the best choice. That's all for the video.